All eyes on me. Eyes on me. Coco on fleek. Coco on fleek. Spoons of hair, babe.
Hi, my name is Destiny Clark, and Coco was my stylist today. She did such an amazing job on my hair. It is just perfect for what I need. I'm competing for Miss Maryland USA, and you know how Miss USA is all about voluptuous waves and a whole bunch of body and just glam. And I feel like this hair and the job that Coco did embodies that perfectly. So I'm super excited. It's super long. This is like my dream hair. I mean, look at it, guys. Look at that. Look at that lusciousness. My hair hasn't been this long since I was 18. It used to be down here, and it wasn't even this thick. There was a lot of breakages and split ends, and this is just flowing. So thank you, Coco, and thank you, CoCo La Rue.